Hey everyone, this is Anurag here from Edutrainex PTE. I bring to you the latest repeated questions for speaking repeat sentence. For this month, these questions are all the latest and most repeated in the exam. Make sure you attempt all these questions if you are going to take the PTE test in this month. You can also comment below with your responses. If you are in luck, you might also see some of these questions appearing in the exam in this particular month. So let's begin.
Put the knife and fork next to the spoon near the edge of the table.
The website has probably the most attractive designs and layouts.
She is an expert in 18th century French literature.
It is expected that all students have their own laptops.
The scientific beneficiary of space exploration is frequently questioned.
A copy of the letter was posted on the notice board.
Our university has organized a visit to the tallest building in the world.
We offer many express delivery options for a small additional charge. She possessed the skills and qualities needed to succeed in a business.
These pioneers have transformed clinical medicine from an art to a science.
There is no compelling reason for me to believe him.
In order to achieve the educational goals, tutors often have to encourage students.
The extension is only available under special circumstances.
Finding a parking spot on campus is almost impossible even with a permit.
I will be in my office every day from 10 to 12.
I've got a tutorial in an hour and I haven't had any time to prepare for it.
If you forget your student number, you need to contact Jenny Bryce.
Meetings with mentors could be arranged for students who need additional help.
Meteorology is a detailed study of the Earth's atmosphere.
Most assignments need to be submitted on the same day.
You need to call the education executive to get a further extension. You need to call the education executive to get a further extension.
A balanced diet will help you study more effectively.
Our capacity to serve the community is a vital part of our role.
The university hosts a wide range of events both on and off campus.
I think that raising the issue and talking about it would be great.
This will be the first art exhibition to be held by the university.
The assessment of this course will begin next week.
Tomorrow's lecture has been cancelled due to the power cut.
Many experts think that the world climate is changing.
The cafeteria is open on Monday and Thursday.
Students can borrow this book for a maximum of 1 day.
The bibliography needs to be removed before the publication.
Eating a healthy breakfast can provide energy throughout the day.
Most of the lectures begin promptly, so do not be late.
The result of the study will be published next month.
The trip for the professional training will start soon, so pack the items before we leave.
Lots of students had money and passports stolen, especially at night.
I found a large rock and I broke through the basement window.
If you forgot your student number, you should contact Jenny Bryce.
In English, the month of the year is always capitalized.
In Europe, the political pressure is similar regarding globalization.
It is important to take gender into account when discussing the figures.
John went rushing off down the corridor.
Meteorology is a detailed study of the Earth's atmosphere.
No more than 4 people can be in the lab at once.
Tomorrow evening, there will be a panel discussion on sustainable development.
Animal behavior appears to contain similar and distinct aspects to that of humans.
There is a fitness center next to the student union.
What's going on that can help patients leave their fears at the door?